One sunny afternoon in the 100-acre wood, Pooh Bear was feeling puzzled. "Oh, bother," said Pooh. "I need to figure out how to sell my house fast." Tigger, always bouncing with excitement, hopped by. "What's got you thinking so hard, Pooh?" Tigger asked. "I've got this house. It's old and a bit tired. You don't need to fix it, Pooh. You can sell it as is. Imagine selling that house quick, and before you know it, you'll have cash for your honey." "Really, Tigger? But where can I find someone who buys homes fast?" "Oh! Warrior Home Solutions buys properties for cash in Houston, Texas. They buy homes just like yours, even if they need repair, with no hassle, no cleaning, and no commissions." Piglet, overhearing the conversation, timidly approached. "But what about all the closing costs? I hear they can be quite scary." "No closing costs, Piglet. They take care of everything." "Well, it sounds like selling my home won't be so bothersome after all." Pooh and his friends feel relief knowing that there are companies like Warrior Home Solutions there to help, even when it seems overwhelming. If you're experiencing selling problems like Pooh, contact Warrior Home Solutions for a no-obligation cash offer today.